Most fleet operators believe washing buses faster means sacrificing cleaning quality. But after observing modern transport depots and commercial fleet operations, we found the opposite is often true. The most efficient fleets aren't rushing the process, they're improving it. Today, let's look at 5 principles that help professional operators save time while delivering consistent cleaning results. Speed and quality are often treated as if they can't exist together. Many transport companies assume that if they want cleaner buses, they'll need to spend more time washing them. Or if they want to move vehicles through the depot faster, they'll have to accept inconsistent results. In reality, modern fleet operators think differently. They don't focus on washing faster, they focus on removing unnecessary delays from the entire process. That's the first principle. A well-organized washing workflow keeps vehicles moving instead of waiting. Every minute saved between arrival, cleaning, and departure contributes to a smoother operation across the depot. The second principle is consistency. Professional fleet managers know that every bus represents their company's image. Whether it's the first vehicle of the day or the last one before midnight, customers should see the same level of cleanliness every time. That's why repeatable processes matter more than individual effort. The third principle is choosing equipment that works with your daily operation instead of creating another bottleneck. A wash system should support your schedule, not interrupt it. It should be reliable enough to perform the same task day after day without adding unnecessary complexity for your team. The fourth principle is reducing dependence on manual work wherever possible. As transport companies grow, managing labor becomes more difficult. Automation doesn't replace experienced people. It allows them to focus on tasks that require human judgment, while repetitive cleaning is handled consistently by the system. Finally, the fifth principle is thinking beyond today's workload. The best fleet operators don't invest based only on the number of buses they have today. They prepare for the fleet they expect to operate in the future. A washing process that works well for 20 vehicles may not work when that number doubles. That's why scalability has become an important part of every long-term investment decision. At Go&Go, these 5 principles influence the way we approach every commercial washing solution. Our goal isn't simply to help companies wash buses faster. It's to help them create a cleaning process that supports efficiency, protects their professional image, and keeps their fleet ready for the next journey. Because when your washing operation runs smoothly, the entire business benefits. If your company manages buses, coaches, shuttle vehicles, or commercial fleets, and you're exploring ways to improve depot efficiency, we'd love to learn more about your operation. Tell us about your fleet, your daily challenges, and your future plans. Together, we can find a solution designed around the way your business operates. How does your fleet handle vehicle washing today? Share your biggest operational challenge in the comments or contact Go&Go to discuss a solution tailored to your fleet size and workflow.